James and Max here for Phantom Mint. Get excited. This is really insane. We've all heard about crypto at this point, but have you crushed it with crypto? I tell the story all the time where I had hundreds of millions of Dogecoin back in the day. I should be a billionaire now, but I sold them for next to nothing. I've been waiting for this moment, and now that moment is here. Bitcoin is at an all-time price, but here's the thing. Most of us don't have 100K to go buy a Bitcoin. But with meme coins, with decentralized meme coins, with this world, this underground world that we're going to take you into, you can create money literally out of thin air. And this solves all the issues that people normally have. Number one, it's too complicated. Number two, I don't have any money. Number three, I have this crazy risk. Here's the beautiful thing. With the Phantom Mint process, you don't have to spend any money at all. We're going to show you exactly how to insert yourself into this secret world with no tech skills, without a following, without having to have any money, and you can literally create money on demand. Imagine if you could go into a gas station and buy lottery ticket after lottery ticket after lottery ticket, but without spending your own money. Everybody wants that dream. Everybody wants the chance at those thousands or millions of dollars, but pretty soon you run out of money trying to chase that dream. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but now it's like you have a set of lottery tickets that on demand you can push it, and it could be worth 5K, could be worth 100K, could be worth $1 million, and anywhere in between. It's insane right now. You have to check out the Phantom Mint process. Max?
Yeah, so this is really super exciting. And, cryptocurrency is booming at the moment. This is not about politics, but Donald Trump, the soon-to-be president, is promoting the crypto community. And just recently, crypto or Bitcoin reached 100K. So this is insane. Other cryptocurrencies are booming as well. And as James already said, you don't have no risk here. You don't need no skills here. You can create these coins without you having to know anything. And if you're now thinking, well, this is what everybody says, just pick up Phantom Mint and convince yourself you cannot go wrong here. Because again, I know that when it comes to crypto, you might be like, oh, I don't want to lose all of that money. This is free. You don't need to invest a single cent if you don't want to. This works. There is so many proof out there, 13-year-olds making money with this process, 85-year-olds. This is because it's easy, no risk involved, and it's super exciting. So this is definitely the right time to join this opportunity. If you join in a year from now, might still work, will still work. But if you join right now, you will be one of the first action takers. So make sure to check out or to click on the link down below and see you inside of Phantom Mint.